Nagganong pa rin sa di siya.
Halimbawa, kumakagat o nagpapatong.
Siya.
Alin yung
Palita. Yung pag forward niya. Pagpo-forward. Yung gano'n.
para maliwanag usapan natin.
Kung ano yung mga napapansing trouble na ano.
Mga trouble na encounter mo na ano?
Minsan, hindi na namin palita. Kapag ito,
Hindi lumalabas?
hindi lumalabas minsan.
Baka di nakasabi doon.
So, yun na nga.
Hindi, yung hindi natin kayang solusyonan. Yung mga problema na hindi natin kaya, yun ay tatanungin sa kanya. Yung sa palita, kaya na natin, wala yan, kaya natin yan.
Hindi naman dito lahat.
Yung mga electrical, wala ba ka na-encounter sa electrical?
Yun, hindi namin na nag-ano.
O, kasi sabi naman niya, pag in case na may electrical trouble, nag-usap ko yung kahapon, tatawagan lang siya through video call, wala naman charge yun. So kung may problema sa electrical, sabi ko sa kanya kahapon nag-usap kami, paano kung may problema sa mechanical o electrical na hindi namin kaya solusyonan? Sabi niya, through video call.
Through video call.
Through video call lang, free of charge. Wala naman ng charge.
No
Lifetime
charges
naman
siya.
yun. Lifetime naman doon na, na wala charge. So ang gusto ko malaman dito, kung ano yung mga trouble na di lahat nila kaya.
Oo, yung pwede yun.
Yung umaalaw. Oo, boss. Yung mga problema yung umaalaw.
Papalitan naman daw.
Oo.
Palitan niya yung umaalaw na yan.
Like for example yun, yung ganoon.
According to you yesterday, if this is defective, we have to replace. But we have to purchase, not you.
Yes.
Because all the parts will be purchased by ours
Yes.
and not by the supplier.
Yes, yes. Umaalaw.
So, according to the operator, one of the bolt is defective. So,
Yes.
What we can do.
immediately we have to replace.
Yes, immediately you have to replace.
We have only to replace one or the whole bolt? Four bolts
Or
together.
yes, all four bolts are damaged.
Even though the other three is not defective, we have to
No,
replace.
it's 3 years already defective. 4 bolts are defective right now.
According to them, only one bolt is
no,
defective.
all 4 bolts are defective.
So we
All
have to
bolts
replace
yes,
4.
Yes, yes.
We have to purchase that. We have
Yes,
to buy.
yes.
Even one bolt is broken, you think already all?
No.
No. According to you, if one bolt is defective,
Yes.
the whole
No,
four
no.
bolt.
So then only need to change one bolt only.
One bolt
But
only.
right now in this condition, all 4 bolts are
Yes,
damaged.
we get that.
Okay.
So, according to your observation,
If in future, if any one bolt get damaged, you can replace only one bolt.
Yes,
If
yes.
3 is okay.
pero at this time, according to your observation, the whole 4 bolts are already replaceable.
Already.
Replaceable. I have to replace. So, yan natin ano.
Ay, okay. Sige.
4 bolts.
Opo.
Where we can buy this bolt, this kind of bolt? In India or this is
Here in the Philippines.
No, it's not in Philippines. It's just only
In
you
India?
can find this in our company only.
Okay.
So right away we have to buy this from your company so that we can replace it.
Yes.
How do you bring this as from India to the Philippines? Through
It's
shipping?
through by air or by ship. If it's too much urgent, then it should be by air. If it's not urgent, then it should be by ship. Yes.
How long if it is by
Because
ship?
it is in by ship, it's take almost 1 or 2 months to reach
If
here.
it's ship,
If it's ship.
if it's plane,
If it in plane, it takes 3 to 4 days.
4
Okay.
bolts kailangan natin.
So 4
Pwede
bolt.
tayo 4 bolts yan. Kasi according sabi niya replaceable na.
Pag na-lustrate.
We have to replace in this condition, right? In this condition. But in the later, if we can replace these 4 bolts, if one only is defective, we will only replace one.
Yes.
How many bolts are we going to reserve so that we, in time of emergency replacement, we have the available stock?
After 2 days, every 2 days you need to check that bolt is proper tight or not.
Oh yes, properly tight. Fit. Every 2 days, properly tight yung check upin mo
Check upin.
mahigpit.
Mahigpit ba?
Mahigpit. Kung maluag, bahala na operator. So,
I have message to Gold sir one checklist and what is the maintenance. You just print out. that-
yes, you have already sent to him?
Yes, I already sent to him just
The
to
checklist?
just to take
Checklist.
the print and I will explain to you all.
Pero sa checklist.
Ayun na nga, mayroon
Viber.
checklist yan.
Viber.
Now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Now.
So, on that checklist, that is our basis. regarding maintenance work.
Yes, regarding maintenance work.
Preventive maintenance.